Do you know what you need to check before traveling to Thailand? Check out the places to visit. Check out the food. Check out the hotels.
Did you forget to check something?
Check my good looks?
Not quite. You need to make sure your information is correct. Check number 1. Check your passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months. It must be in good condition, such as no damage, no torn pages, no unauthorized markings, and no unofficial stamps. If your passport is incomplete or invalid, it could lead to legal problems, and you may be denied entry into Thailand.
Okay, passport checked. I'm ready to go.
Not yet. You still need to check number 2. Check your visa. Check what type of visa you have and how many days you are allowed to stay in Thailand. For example, a tourist visa allows you to stay for 60 days, and a non-immigrant visa allows up to 90 days. Also, citizens from some countries can enjoy a free visa and stay up to 60 days. Check the specific requirements for your country at any Thai embassy or consulate.
Visa checked. Now, let's go to Thailand.
Hold on. Check number 3. Have you completed your Thailand Digital Arrival Card or TDAC? You can fill it out online at tdac.immigration.go.th. Up to 3 days before your arrival. Completing the online form in advance will make your entry into Thailand much smoother and faster.
If I've checked everything, can I finally go now?
Welcome to Thailand ค่ะ
In case you plan to work in Thailand, you need to check number 4. You must apply for the correct visa type, which is a non-immigrant visa B. It is required to apply for work permit. It is very important to strictly follow the law. Foreigners are absolutely prohibited from working without a work permit. Working without authorization can result in imprisonment, fines, and deportation. Check number 5. Check the regulations for staying in Thailand. Foreigners are allowed to stay in Thailand according to the permitted period granted to them. If you wish to stay longer, you must apply for an extension of staying in advance. Foreigners who are granted long-term stay rights must report their address every 90 days to the immigration office in the area where they reside. Alternatively, you can report online at immigration.go.th. However, for the first 90 days report, you must appear in person at the immigration office. After that, you may choose to submit 90 days online. You may choose the method that is the most convenient for you. Additionally, if you wish to leave Thailand temporarily, you must apply for a re-entry permit to maintain the validity of your current visa.
And these are the 5 things you need to check before entering Thailand. If you have any questions, feel free to contact any immigration office. Thailand warmly welcome everyone. Just make sure you check the rules carefully and adapt quickly, so you can stay in Thailand worry-free and fully compliant with the law.